All right, guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to upsell in your Shopify store anything that you're already promoting. So, for example, we're going to market with the category nightstands, and we want to upsell whatever else we can. For example, this pillow, this throw, this wall art, this lamp, a rug, some more pillows. And the way that we do this is through an app. It's called Frequently Bought Together. I'll show it to you guys right here. Frequently Bought right here. It's pretty cool. It's pretty neat. I do recommend it. I believe it's only like 20 bucks a month, so it's not that much. And then you can do the manual bundles or you can do the recommendations. I like the manual for certain vendors, and you can go through here, select the product that you are promoting, and then, for example, the one that we had in there. And then, as you can see, you're going to go ahead and add the products that you want to upsell in this case. Where do we get this from? Obviously, this comes from the vendor itself. These are the recommends that they give us. So all we're doing is copying this SKU and inputting it over here. As you can see, A100, 1022, A100, 1022. They're right here. And then we just add them. And then at the end we add and save, and then that's how we come out with here. And this is a perfect way to upsell, and it also increases your conversion rate online because it looks nice, right? And then I also want to use this video to show you the use case of RPAs. As you can see, it's a lot of manual work to do this. We would have to go into the app, we would have to search the model, and then we would have to input, copy the SKUs from Ashley and finish it out. So, but with the RPA, I'm gonna go and play it, and it's gonna do exactly that work that I just did manually, and it's gonna do it automatically. So if you have hundreds, if not thousands, of a category, I definitely recommend using an RPA. This will let you go to market much quicker, and then that way you can start promoting right away and upselling right away. We'll let it run for a little bit, just so you can see the final result. But yeah, this is a perfect way, guys. Frequently bought, as you can see on the Shopify app, $20 a month, and then you can start upselling. You're going to get your return back. I promise you that much. All right. Now let's see if I can get you the final end product. Okay, and this is the final product for the one that the RPA was just finishing. As you can see, it was able to input all the SKUs from our vendor Ashley into the app, all automatically, and it did a great job. It looks nice. We're ready to go to market with this specific model and category. Let me show you what it looks like on mobile so you can also take a look. Really cool. Like I said, definitely look into it and start upselling right away. All right, guys, take it easy. Bye-bye.